my gosh! Is this even the same room?
We are outside of the Pendergrass's home, and they've had a crazy year. They bought this big house, and they only spend time in the one room. And that's the one room that we are going to spruce up. I'm Adar Kirkham, and I am going to reimagine one room in your home. I'm going to thrift, paint, and repurpose what you got with $1,500 and 24 hours. Let's go.
We're Joe and Rachel Pendergrass, and we're from Clinton Township, Michigan. So we have been in this house less than a year.
The major life changes, I think we've hit just about every single one within the last year, you know. From moving, loss of a family member, new career, a baby, you name it, we've kind of had to do it.
So we're just really excited to see where it goes and make this our forever home.
So you have me here because I'm going to redo your mac and cheese room.
Yes.
That's what I'm calling it.
Yeah,
What do you guys call it? What do you guys call it?
We call it our den, we call it our back room.
Okay.
It sort of was a living room, now it's sort of a multi-purpose den room.
Got it.
That's
Well,
where
he spends his whole day back there.
Whole day back there, so.
We have
Yes.
a 10-month-old. That's where most of her toys are. So yeah, it's also a playroom on top of being a living room
so we have
and an
8,000
office.
functions. What about style?
Our last house was only gray and white, but I love bold colors, especially like jewel tone colors.
What about you, Joe?
I don't just want to be in gray, but I also don't want to be in mac and cheese
Mac and
orange.
cheese. I mean,
No.
you know, maybe it's your favorite meal. I don't know.
It's for someone, but it's not for me.
Yeah. Okay.
And as far as style goes, mid-century modern is definitely where my eye always continues to go. I love those pieces.
And a functioning space.
And a functioning
Office,
space.
baby, living room.
Yes.
Your chair is also something that pulls my eye.
Yeah.
It's not that I hate Joe's chair. What it has in comfort, it lacks in style. So it's not that I hate your chair. I just hate that it's in our room.
The cheese has got to go. We got to get rid of the cheese. So we'll paint these other 3 walls a charcoal gray, I'm thinking, and then maybe wallpapering behind this TV just so it pops a little bit. And this couch has got to go. It's too big. This room needs 3 functions and it eats up most of the space. So I peeped a sofa in the other room that I'm going to swap. We'll add a coffee table and I will refinish it and make it fun. Over here is the man cave desk corner. My goal here is for sure to give it a vibe. So that'll help this feel more defined and official, like it's his area. So this is right now a dead zone, and I think we should make it a kid zone. They do have dogs, and I see their attempt here, but the beach towels, like all of this, even just right now, for my heart and soul, I'm gonna just, my gut tells me I will leave this as is and just paint the walls. Mac and cheese, it's a little stale. Just try. So I'm gonna paint this emerald green. Look at this beautiful color. She said she wanted bold, and they love green, and they love jewel tone. So I thought green would go best with the rest of our color palette. And then I think I'm going to wallpaper the inside. This is gonna be the star of the room. Like this with the black and white wallpaper behind it. We're gonna get a whole lot of wows when they come in. At least that's the hope. We thrifted this table, roughly $50. What I love about this table, there's storage, right? So this is a drawer that pulls out. I'm going to paint it black, and I'm gonna add a little white pinstripe to the mix. And then I'm going to wallpaper the inside of here with a fun emerald green print wallpaper, and then use that same wallpaper over on the mantle, so it'll tie together. So I'm just gonna prime the top of the table because that gets the most wear and tear. And I also wanna use my white primer as my pinstripe detail. I'm trying to do 2-for-1 special. Now we wait. I'm using this thin tape to create a pinstripe just along the top of the table. The trick is to roll a little bit more of the same color, the white, over top of this tape, just to lock it and seal it in so that no black gets underneath. And then I'll spray it black. Score. All right. Drop the mic. After I do this, even though you don't have to seal technically, just because it's a table and it's gonna get a lot of use and there's kids involved, I'm going to seal it just in case. I just don't want it to chip. So let's talk about Joe's chair. I get why he likes it. It kind of makes him feel like the king of the den. but that's not the vibe we're going for. Now this is an office chair. I can't guarantee that Joe's gonna love it, but I'm sure Rachel will. One of the most affordable ways to update your fan is to paint the blades. Simple, easy, paint the blades, swap out the glass shades, and it's a brand new fan. So that's what we're gonna do. There we go. What I am gonna do to keep the character of the fan is maintain the brass that's there, because I think that's pretty cool and still really relevant. The mac and cheese outlet covers, so I'm gonna spray these black as well, and they look brand new. The only thing I can cook is mac and cheese, so the Thanksgiving is not gonna be the same, let's just say that. I know we're really switching it up on Joe in his little corner there with his desk, so I wanted to do something cool on the walls. In the neighborhood on my way in, I saw a yard sale. They had a box of free books they were giving away, so I grabbed some books, and I'll do a really fun display of colorful books on his floating shelves. My next thing is the tacks. I'm gonna add gold brass tacks along the inside of that shelf, and this brass color will tie in with our updated fan. The idea here is to mimic one of those like old school, well-made like leather chairs with all the studs that go all the way around. They're usually like kissing, right? They're really, really close. That's what we're going for. So I'm scared right now. If this fails, there's no second chance of this. We'll just have to go all black. Okay. What I'm seeing looks good so far. Ooh, guys, this is gonna be good. It's great. It's great! Look at that line. Let's do the next one. Done. This is the pinstripe. The pinstripe brings such a classy look to the top, which I love. Black and white, classic, ties in with our wallpaper. It's exactly how I envisioned it. I'll do a couple little touch-up spots with the white, but this is it. This is it. I really want to put this in so we can just get a vibe. Okay. I'll be really delicate as we put it in so that we can see. There we go. Yeah, this is it. This is the vision. And this will be great storage, but it's like fashionable storage, you know what I'm saying? Storage doesn't have to be ugly all the time. It can be attractive. We're coming down to the final stretch. Time is ticking. I'm so excited how this room has come together. It really looks fantastic. All the colors are tying together beautifully. It feels warm, welcoming, and most importantly, all the functions are addressed. We have our kids' corner, we have the office, and then we have the living room space. I think my job here is done. The last thing to do is go show Rachel and Joe. And open up.
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Is this even the same room? That feature wall is everything. Look at the mantle! Oh, look at the coffee table!
What do we think?
It looks so good!
This is a custom coffee table. We thrifted it, and then I refinished it so that it can tie in with this wall.
Oh my gosh.
Man cave.
Yes, definitely have my own spot now.
We have a presentable chair.
I know.
I feel like you should try it out.
Oh
Ooh,
yeah,
try it out.
sit
Okay.
in the chair for
I did
sure.
I did the test. I wasn't sure if, you know. Do you feel like a king in the chair?
I do. Like, this is my space.
It
You like
looks
it?
really nice. Got it.
It is good. Yeah, it can stay.
Yeah?
It can stay. We can keep it.
Yeah?
We
Sure?
can keep it, yeah.
Okay.
It'll be good here.
Okay.
It looks
Good.
good,
Well,
and it's comfy.
It is. It's comfy.
Okay.
I think I can do a lot of work
I'm
here.
sure you
I'm
like
happy.
it. Yes. We did some book art up top to give you a little
It
more
looks
sophisticated
So
space.
good.
Yeah. And then the play zone, the kid zone.
Look at this little rug.
We just wanted a space that you had more storage, right? You have plenty of storage. I'm so
and
happy.
it flows so well. Like
Yeah.
it feels like one whole room now, whereas like before it felt so separate. Everything looks like it was custom made for each other. It looks so good.
And a lot of this is your stuff,
Yeah.
right? We just reworked it.
Wow, it looks so good. I can't believe I own some of this stuff. I can't believe you did this fast. Oh my,
That was the challenge.
oh my God, thank you.
Yeah.
It looks so good. Thank you so much.
So welcome. One more thing. I felt like the real deal mac and cheese needed to be in here, and I thought what better way to just cheers away the mac and cheese? Well, you know, it's better in the bowl.
Better in the bowl than on the wall. That is for certain.
1,000%.
A mac and cheers.
Woo!
A lot better from the bowl.
Yes.
A lot better from the bowl.